It's time to learn some traditional Sicilian cooking. I'm excited. Let's go and do it. We have had a real treat of an afternoon down here today, learning the true Sicilian methods of cooking. Now, we started off the afternoon with one of Carmela's Cucina classes, which is where she teaches you the traditional Sicilian methods of cooking and some of her own tricks with a nice glass of wine while you do it. So this one here is called Cabonata. It's like a really fresh summer salad with roasted eggplant, olives, olive oil, and some other goodies in there. And this one called alla norma. That's the pasta that we rolled in class today, and with some nice baked ricotta on top there. Now, this is one of Carmela's own creations. It's figs with mascarpone and baked slivered almonds on there. Now, you can come and try all these wonderful dishes in the restaurant out the front here. They're open 7 days a week for dinner. Thursday through Sunday they do lunch, and they've also got takeaway out the front.
Hi, my name's Carmela Demore and I'm the Executive Chef of Sorrento Trattoria. I would like to welcome you to the Mornington Peninsula in Sorrento and come and taste a slice of Sicily.